How can the ADHD brain pattern be healed permanently? I'm Dr. Trish Leigh. Let me tell you how. Okay, so in another video, I covered how you can tell if a person has ADHD definitively. And that answer is by looking at the QEEG brain map and see if their brain is using excessive amounts of slow processing speed. If their brain is using too much processing speed in the slower ranges, it will cause lack of focus, distraction, hyperactivity, executive function challenges, planning and organization, difficulty with self-regulation and emotional regulation, which could lead to tantrums. So that slow processing speed makes it so that the brain can't process all that information in real time. So there's sensory issues, cognitive issues, and self-regulation issues. Now, what to do about it? Neurofeedback brain training has been proven by exhaustive science to take that brain pattern with too much slow processing speed and teach it to make less of that slower processing speed and to make more of perfect processing speed that's a little bit faster so that your brain can focus, can feel calm and relaxed, can be maximally productive in the minimal amounts of time while feeling great. And the science shows that neurofeedback's able to take that brain pattern and heal it with little regression, little chance of moving backwards. The caveat is you have to do it right and you have to have a provider who knows what he or she is doing. So neurofeedback can be the solution. If you struggle with ADHD symptoms, honestly, there's no need to struggle anymore. It is the pattern that is studied the most in science and is found to be very efficacious, very effective, very powerful in being able to change this inherent neurological brain pattern and be able to make it so that it performs better so you feel and perform better. Okay, so you can check out my website at drtrishleigh.com for my neuro coaching programs. And of course, you can go to my Leigh Brain and Spine website for full-blown neurofeedback. I hope this helps you out. And remember, control your brain or it'll control you.